Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a black screen on Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 while playing games. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all go to your settings of your Windows and go to your Windows update and check the Windows update. If any updates are available, then download and install in your PC. No, in my case, is a window already have updated. The second method is that start right click on a start menu and go to your device manager, and after that go to your display adapter and select a display adapter. Right click on a driver, search for automatically from drivers, and close it. The next method is go to your device manager and once again go to your display adapter, select a display adapter, right click update drivers and click on browse my computer from drivers. Click on let me pick from a list available in drivers on my computer. Click on next to continue and install it. Now you can see the window has successfully updated the driver. So close it and close it. The next method is that right click on a start menu and go to your device manager, and after that select a display adapter, select a display adapter, right click on update driver, click on search automatic from drivers, click on search for update drivers on Windows update. After check the updates, if any latest updates the update driver is available, then Windows automatically download and install in your PCs. So close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.